Alright, hey guys, Alex here. Today I'm getting some clips, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go onto some little building near some rugby courts with Chris and Ethan hopefully, and then get some more clips. Today's just a really quick video. I want to get a cool video out for you guys for tomorrow, which is today for you guys if you're watching it the day it comes out. And yeah, let's just get going with clips at the skate park. Let's go. Alright, I'm just going to edit the clips I've just done right now. I just come back from the skate park. I'm just going to edit all those clips just so I don't have to do even more work tomorrow editing. So I'll just do the clips. I'll edit the clips now, and then for you we'll be going to, me, Chris and hopefully Ethan will be going to the building at the rugby court thing. Let's go. So see you at the rugby court. Let's go. Yo! Alright, this is the second day of filming a video. Yeah. We're with Chris and Ethan and we're gonna go on top of some roof on the rugby courts. Whoa. Alright. Do like a roll the clips thing.
Roll the clips.
So obviously it's a small little roof, but it's all good because you get really good cinematics on it. We're gonna get clips of us going up there and on there and then getting down and then get more clips at the skate park. Let's go! It's doing me ending! Stop it!
Watch the clip then, yeah?
No.
This one?
Alright,
no,
we're gonna check.
This is for Alex.
180 to 360.
Alright, so we're gonna check if the car's gone. It's probably not, but let's see. Ooh. 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 Is it though? Is it though? Is it though? Is the car gone? Chris is gonna get in one of the tyres, and yeah, that's basically what we're doing. Shout out to Bryn if you're watching this because you were on your rugby courts. Yeah,
What are you
let's
doing?
go. We're gonna put the tyre back, don't worry, Bryn.
I want to jump off
Let's
that
go.
thing.
Ben. Who's
Bryn.
Ben? Feel like I'm-
Yo. Let's go to Ethan. No, let's put the wheel down. No one cares. Let's go to Ethan. Charlie Ralph exposed.
You want to go on one of them green containers?
Yeah.
I'll jump off for the views. 10 likes on this video and I'll jump.
10 likes. Why 10?
Oi, Ethan, jump this way.
Okay. I'll jump off my bum.
Why 10 likes?
Oh. 100,000 squashes!
No. 20 likes.
25 likes.
25
And I'll
likes.
jump.
Yo, parkour. No, wait,
Go and get on
now
that green.
this has to get 25 likes now. So if you're watching this video, you have to like the video. They're gonna
Yeah.
have to like the
Do you
video.
guys want to see
They're
a
gonna have to like the
gymnastics?
video. No, I'm taking over the vlog. You're
Ready,
getting
Chris?
that one.
Chris, this is for you, gymnastics.
Okay. We're gonna teleport to the next spot, so
Ready? 180.
see you there.
Okay.
We're back. Oh wait, no, they're coming. Look, can you see them? Over there.
Yo. Over the leg.
I'm just going around the corner.
We're gonna try and get on one of those green containers and get some pictures. Let's go. Okay. He's on the roof somehow. What's that then?
I know I won't, because I won't make it.
Huh?
Will you jump? Look at this death cap right here.
Stinging nettles, lovely jubbly.
Focus.
I think we're gonna be setting for a time up over there. So
3, 2, 1.
Do I trust any of you? Okay.
Alex, get down. Get down on it.
Oh, you better do it.
Ready, go.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Wait, alright, 3, 2, oh I can't, I'm scared.
Just do it.
3, 2, 1. Are you ready
I'm
though?
ready.
Are you ready?
Just go.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, material things!
Right, stop now.
Whoa!
Wait, no, stop now because the fucking...
Whoa!
Wait, stop because the video will get corrupted.
How?
Because it will. Are you sure about that?
Ethan, material thing. Hiya. Cat.
Oh! Alex.
Young Alexo.
Guide my feet, please.
How'd you zoom in? Not sure. Wait, is that?
Shall I back flip off? Shall I flip off?
Go on.
I'll do a 360 and actually no, I'll do a 180 off.
Alex.
The vlog. Hello. You vlog. Hello.
Say hi to the vlog.
Go on, Alex.
Here we see Alex in his natural habitat, doing his stretches for the kickless.
Let's go. Kickless catch. Kickless whip, whip, whip. Kickless, whip, whip.
Oi, Ethan, material things.
No, wait. Look, record it.
Ethan, you got a catch. Ethan, catch! Are you ready? Allah Akbar!
Oh, you nearly hit the ground.
Of course now.
Yeah, Alex, back in.
Okay, so the alarm just turned on. Don't know how that happened, but the alarm just turned on. Don't think we're going in there now. Yeah. I think we should go back to the skate park. Let's go back to the skate park. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright guys, filming a quick, new learn for Ethan, XT3. His channel will be in the cards, like up there, something like that, so yeah. Peace out guys.
Not the like or subscribe or anything like that?
They shouldn't.
No? Oh. That's nice. Like and subscribe.
He's gonna hit me.